Experiencing issues with your Total Wireless hotspot? This video will quickly address common problems related to your plan, APN settings, password, and device limit. First, ensure your Total Wireless plan has sufficient data. Check for error messages like data exhausted in the Total Wireless app. Consider purchasing a data add-on if needed. If your plan is fine, the next most common issue is an incorrect APN. This is the gateway for data routing, and if it is incorrect, your hotspot will not work. Access your device's mobile network settings and verify that the APN is set to VZ Winternet for 4G or VZ WIMS for 5G. Save the changes and restart your hotspot. Now let's consider other issues. If data and APN settings are correct, ensure your Wi-Fi password is secure. Reset it via the Total Wireless app if you suspect unauthorized access. Use a strong password to prevent data theft. Finally, check the number of connected devices. Total Wireless hotspots typically allow up to 10 concurrent connections. Disconnect unused devices or upgrade your plan if you need more. Quick recap: always check your data plan first, confirm the APN settings, check your password, and check the device connections. For persistent issues, use the automated diagnostics tool in the Total Wireless app or contact Total Wireless support at 1-800-844-8464.